fire.
Roger that. Engaging. That LT's getting away. Looks like UNIDAD is sticking their nose.
Get ready. Fire.
Roger that. Get down. No target. You're gonna be up.
What took you so long? Shit balls.
Escort car's been destroyed.
Estamos llegando refuerzos. Eliminen a esa gente de inmediato. Contacto con las tropas enemigas. Todas las unidades mantengan. Perdimos contacto con el enemigo. Salgan del servicio.
Grenade, move. It's gonna blow. Grenade, move.
Frag out.
You'll be okay.
Place. Let's take this low and slow.
The cartel realizes we're here. First thing they'll... Hold on.
Shit, take cover. Hang in there, I'm coming your way.
Fucking hell. Haul ass. Can't let him kill El Yayo.
Grenade!
Frag out. Fucking hell.
With me, man, I'll be right there.
What the fuck took you so long?
That came from near the hacienda.
Call for some rebels to back us
Man
up.
down. Copy. Damn, that's gonna hurt in the morning.
Vámonos. I'm taking you someplace safe.
I cannot leave. If el sueños men see that I'm gone, the cartel will kill my family.
Let's get back to it.
I cannot leave. If el sueño...
You still haven't told me who you are. I have heard rumors about phantasmas who are making buildings burn, making things disappear. making people disappear. I thought they were just being superstitious.
We're real, and if you cooperate, we can protect you.
I will cooperate. If you protect my family.
Okay, let's focus on the mission.
I cannot leave.
Where exactly are you taking me?
There's someone who wants to ask you some questions about your activities with the cartel.
I'll tell you whatever you want to know. But only one.
Eyes up. Let's get back to work.
I cannot leave. If El Sueños men see that I'm God, the cartel will kill my family.
RP's just ahead. Nobody get comfortable. I get the feeling we'll be heading right back out again.
Right.
I should have known. CIA has brought in our own sicarios. Simon Bolivar said the United States was destined to plague the Americas with misery. Now that misery is upon my house.
He says Sueño has his family.
You could have led with that. These 4 gunfighters are your best last hope at saving your family. So are you gonna play ball, or are you gonna bury more kin?
Save my family. Then I decide if I will talk.
Yayo's family's in the cartel district of a village called Bahia Floresta. We've got to move fast. Sueño finds he's gone, that family's dead.
Ed, I'll meet you. Enemy activity, stay sharp. Yo, cartel...
Coming up on Bahia Floresta. Yayo's wife and son are supposed to be somewhere in the village. Keep your eyes open. You guys ready? Fire. I called the
Roger.
rebels for
I'm
reinforcements.
opening fire.
I have to...
Just hold on, man. I'll be right there.
God damn, that was close. I got a target carrying submachine guns.
Tango down. Man down. Just hold on to your shit. Man down. Man down. Hang on, I'm coming.
What's going on out there? My guest is getting antsy. You find Yayo's family?
We're working on it.
Understood. Just hurry, okay? It's gonna be damned ironic if the dude has a coronary waiting for his wife and son.
Roger that.
I got you, man. Just hold on.
Heads up. I got eyes on Yayo's wife and son.
Pero Dios mío, won't you see
Hold on.
No more tangos here. We're clear on this side.
They're going after the wife and son. Stop them.
Camarada, hay un montón de enemigos. No haga ruido y ayúdenos a salir de este infierno.
Don't touch me!
Calm down, Chewie. Your father sent us.
You expect me to believe that?
You can believe whatever the fuck you want as long as you shut up and follow instructions. Now follow me. Both packages secure. Let's get them back to their old man.
shitheads.
The old man's fault, isn't it? He's too greedy and too proud. A man cannot be both.
Cállate, mijo. Rudy does his best for his family, for the cocaleros.
How do we even know he's with you? How do we know he's safe? That you aren't using us to get to him, just like esos charros.
This is it. You're safe now.
Rodolfo.
Mi Rosita, ¿estás bien?
Sí, mi vida.
Papa, what trouble had you gotten us into now, old
I
man?
just got you out of trouble, kid.
Don't expect us to believe that. Ustedes, blanquiñosos yankees, only bring problems to Bolivia. I may be too young to have marched with the cocaleros in '96, but I have seen the scars on the protesters who were beaten.
Oh, eat a dick. I'm sick of this anti-American bullshit. We're not your enemy, kid.
But you're not our friend either.
Tranquilo, mijo. I have made deals with many devils in my time, and it has always been to protect my family, to ensure that my people, los cocaleros, survive. Now I have made my deal with you, Agent Bowman. I'm sure to regret it later, but for now, it will allow us to see another day.
Looks like they're feeling froggy.
Fire. Put a call to the rebel. Shit. Swing. Hacienda now. Let's move.
Opening fire. The alarm. What's our play?
I'll fly.
Eyes on Nydia and the daughter. We need them both alive.
We got the fucking helo. Chopper, down. Get to cover. Hang in there, I'm coming to you.
Thanks.
Hit the dirt, helicopter. Took out the helo.
¡Mamá! ¡Escóndete, Valeria! Don't come any closer. ¡Cuídenla! Valeria! Get on that helicopter! Mama! No! You wanna kill me, pendejo? I'm right here. None of you assholes is gonna lay a hand on my daughter.
We don't want to hurt you or your daughter. We want Sueño. You help us, we can protect you.
Jódete. Like I'm gonna trust you.
You don't really have a choice. Think you'll survive in the wild on your own? You know Sueño better than anyone. He won't stop till your head is lying at his feet. We are your only chance.
Hold up, we got hostile activity. Watch your fire. We don't want to hit any
The
civilians.
alarm is disabled. Ready? Open fire. I asked
Copy that.
Pacatari to send us a vehicle.
It's your right, compadre.
I called Pacatari for some reinforcements.
Okay, we're cool. We rattled somebody's cage.
Shit. Sueño's people are hitting the hacienda now. Let's move.
Looks like we've riled them up. Engaging. What's with the alarm? Man down. Just hold on to your shit, man. We got a fucking man down. Copter, get man down over here.
I got it. I'll fly.
I'm on. We're right of the cage.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire! Put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements. Shit. Sueño's people are hitting the hacienda now. Let's move.
The alarm. Who fucked up? Fuck. Engaging.
Drone's up.
Dropped him. Roger that. Stay down, I'll be right there.
Fucking hell. I got eyes on Nydia and the daughter. We need them both alive.
¡Mamá! ¡Escóndete, Valeria! Don't come any closer. ¡Cuídenla!
Let's get back on mission.
Jódete. Like I'm gonna trust you.
You don't really have a choice. Think you'll survive in the wild on your own? You know Sueño better than anyone. He won't stop till your head is lying at his feet. We are your only chance.
I'm not giving up El Sueño.
We'll see. Let's take your helicopter.
A monster truck.
I heard he's very tall.
You don't like El Jefe. I don't like him either. Mija, stop talking.
Has he tried to hurt you and your mama?
No, I don't like him because he has no hair.
Now, there's nothing wrong with not having hair. Maybe he can't help it.
Stop talking to her. This is all a mistake. You people are gonna fuck me over the first chance you get.
I suspect it's up to you.
You're the cabrons who turned El Sueño against me in the first place. Our life was good before you came along.
Your life was on permanent fast forward and you know it. We didn't make Sueño send people to kill you. We saved you and your daughter.
Right. After you destroyed all of it. My life's work, everything I had.
Well?
Coming up on the RP.
Oh, Carenya. Whatever happens, just remember that Mama loves you.
Okay, Mama.
Compas! Getting Nydia's boys to fight Pulpo?
I'm not going to talk.
Good.
ha retrocedido. Todas las unidades regresen a su patrullaje normal.
Roger.
Acabamos de enviar tropas adicionales justo ahora. Ataquen y destruyan al enemigo.
The lieutenant's trying to escape.
Deploying drone. The drone's fucked up. They're jamming us.
Shots fired. UNIDAD's engaging the cartel.
Sniper, top of the tower.
UNIDAD chopper, stay low. Chopper, down, down.
Fire. Call Pakatari for some reinforcements. I'm calling for indirect fire. I called for rebels to draw their attention.
I have a shot. Engaging. We got a problem. Cartel soldiers incoming. Watch the checkpoint. Take cover already.
Balls.
Shot down the helo. Got nothing to shoot at. They come. What's the play, boss? Their old team's escaping. They got cartel reinforcements. Grenade! Watch out! A copy.
Muro's on the move.
Let's get the motherfucker.
We need him on... Hold up. Back to it.
Let's get the motherfucker.
We need him alive. I say again, we need that HVT alive.
The lieutenant's on the run.
Come here, fuckface.
Back off, puto! Get your fucking hands off me! Chingada madre!
Buckle up, people.
Good to go.
If you gringos were smart, you stop right here. Put a bullet in my brain and go about your fucking business.
Maybe we just like your company, Muro. Isn't every day we meet a genuine Billy badass.
You got wells, I'll give you that. But you pendejos are just a speed bump on my way to killing El Sueño.
Two men like you being friends. You all had to know one day you were gonna try to kill each other.
Maybe. True amigos are a rare thing in this line of work.
But you can always count on blood.
A huevo. Between mi jefe and mi hermano, the choice will always be mi hermano. I'm gonna skin that pendejo Sueño and I'm gonna hang his fucking face.
Ready. Call the shot. I'm opening fire.
Están por llegar los refuerzos. Eliminen a esa gente de inmediato.
Let's get back to business.
A huevo. Between mi jefe and mi hermano, the choice will always be mi hermano. I'm gonna skin that pendejo Sueño and I'm gonna hang his fucking face on the wall. Or like a trophy, you know?
Yeah, I get the idea.
But you? I ain't gonna take no trophy when I kill you. You ain't worth it.
This is it, El Muro. Welcome to the end of your illustrious career.
I like you, Yankees. You always know how to dream. Silencio. Marche.
That reporter is already putting stories on the interwebs.
You have anything interesting to say?